Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chris. In this video, I'm going to create an Instagram reel using Galaxy.ai and ChatGPT. So let's jump right in. Okay, if you need Instagram reel ideas, just come over to ChatGPT and put give me 10 crypto idea topics for an Instagram reel, or whatever your niche is. Mine just happens to be crypto, so let's see what it spits out. There we go, 10 real ideas that grab attention. And you can see them right here. 5 crypto mistakes even smart investors still make. Let's try this one right here on the bottom. This one thing will make you better at crypto trading overnight. Okay, so I'm going to just copy that right there and write a 30 to 50 second Instagram reel script on this topic. And let's just paste that right there. Whatever the number is, number 10. And click enter. Here we go right here. So first thing I'm going to do is, there's your real script. I'm going to just copy that. And all we're doing is copy and paste it. And go straight over to Galaxy.ai, sign in. And Galaxy.ai has got a Instagram reel script generator. So first thing you do, come over here on the left side. You can see it, Instagram reel generator. So we'll click that. And videos, you can see right here the different styles. You can view them all right there. Let's try Pixar and content. Now we're going to paste that first line. We'll go up and grab this next line. You could grab it all and delete that clip 1, 2, 3 stuff, but I'm going to do it line by line here. And let's get the next line. Here we go. And if you saw my previous video on how can photo or to clone yourself, it's very, very similar right here. Now this is true faceless video. You can see this has got let me slide 6 clips, and it creates B-roll and captions for you. Makes your videos kind of stand out. And totally faceless if you prefer faceless. Talking head videos are very popular as well. And let's see if that's our last line right there. And if you want ChatGPT, if you wanted to create a PDF trade journal, boom, you could do that as well. Alright, last line right here. And we should have a 30 to 50 second video. We'll go voice and audio. And the voice selector, voice library, you can clone your own voice if you wish. I'm going to use the same, I use the same one every time. And I like William, the dramatic storyteller. Okay, then what you do is you just generate the new audio first, and that takes about 20-30 seconds to generate, and then we will finish up the video with, if you want to add background music and your settings for the style of video you want, whether it's a 1:1 or a 9:16 for Instagram reel, or maybe something else. Okay, our audio is finished, 51 seconds. Let's go. Now let's go. We'll set, if you want background music, you can add it, adjust the volume. I always add the motivational, and then we go settings, Screen ratio, I'm going to do this one 9:16 for a Instagram reel. Captions, you got different styles here. You got Galaxy, Hormozy, Faceless, Wrap, different colors. I like Hormozy. And caption alignment, you can go top, middle, bottom. I like middle. You can highlight each word if you want. You can even add your own watermark. And here's how you do that. So I'm going to go top right on watermark, browse files. I have a watermark here that I always use, and it's called Crypto Jag. There it is, and it has the transparent background, and there we go. Top right, you can set the watermark size to large, small, or medium, and here's the opacity. It's currently defaults to 80%. We'll leave it right there. Okay, now let's generate video. Right there. And when this generates, I'm on to Instagram. So you get the whole shoot match. Your video generation has started. You can check the status in the video history. Give this 1 second. Pause the video. It takes about a minute or two. You can see it's processing, and I'll be right back. Okay, that took about a minute. Here is the video right here. And okay,
overnight,
and
there's one
all we
thing
do
almost
at this
nobody
point,
does,
if you
and it
want to
changes
edit it,
everything.
you can click edit. And then if you want to edit the captions, you can click edit captions right here. You can change those, whatever you'd like. You can change the words, you can change the top, middle, or bottom. Now if you edit the captions, you can see it's captioned line by line right there. If you want to change the words, I'm going to leave that like it is. And if you want to soften the background noise, go to advanced settings. You can see background music volume. Just scroll that back a little bit. Render video again. And it'll be ready for download. That takes about 30 seconds to a minute. You can see we got a 51-second video right now. And all I did was lower the background music on edit. And we'll give that 1 second. We do have our watermark. There it is right there. The opacity, let's increase that to 80. Now, there's the watermark. I see it right there. Let's re-render it just to make sure we got a watermark. And then I'm going to download it. And then we're going to upload it to Instagram or wherever you want to put it. With Galaxy.ai, I think it's $14.99 a month. You can do anything AI. They got chat. They've got everything you want to do AI. Okay, we are finished. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just close this. And then what I do is I go to video history right here. And when that loads, I will download this video. Give it 1 second to render. And you can see all generations are automatically removed after 30 days. So please download your videos before they expire. There's our video right there. And we got the softer background music. So all I do is click the arrow right here and I'll download that to my computer. And your video is ready. Download started, your video down, now it's complete. Okay, let's close this out. And what I do is I go up here to my downloads and there's my video right there. I just rename it. I'll call this Instagram Reel. And you can number it, whatever you want to name it right there. So let's close that. Now let's go over to Instagram. And all we have to do is upload our video. Now, if you want to get a little more creative, just come over to ChatGPT and put, give me an Instagram reel and description for this reel, and see what it spits out. The one habit to make you a better trader overnight. There it is right there. There's our description. So let's just copy that. Come back over to Instagram. Let's create a post. And we'll select our video from our device. Okay, there we go to next. And next. And
want to become a better crypto trader?
There we go. And then let's go back over to ChatGPT. There's our description, and we'll just copy that. And it's even got, let's copy the copy all of that, including the tags, and we'll just paste that right here. Boom, there. And we'll call it crypto new, whatever you want to call it. Add location. Always add my location, Jacksonville, Florida. Click share. Bam, that's it. That's how you create an Instagram reel using Galaxy AI. I'll leave a link for Galaxy down below. If you have any questions, just reach out. Best email for me, Chris at rchris4.com. Till next time, bye for now.